Hey friends, today we are making Esquites, or Mexican street corn, in our limited street food series. This is episode 2, Mexican street food. Over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of salted butter to a skillet. Once melted, add 4 cups of corn. We use frozen corn. Just let it thaw before using. Make sure to stir often, as you don't want your corn to burn. You do, however, want a slight char to it. We will be cooking the corn for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and stir. Next, add black pepper to taste and stir. After about 7 to 8 minutes, you may need to add another tablespoon of butter to keep the corn from burning. Once your corn is cooked to your liking, remove from heat and set aside, then transfer to a medium bowl, salt to taste. We will be using a Chipotle Mayo for this recipe. Simply add 1 can of Chipotle peppers and Adobo sauce and 2 cups of your favorite mayo to a processor and blend until smooth. To your corn, add about a tablespoon of Mexican Crema and a teaspoon of Cotija Cheese. Juice from a 1/4 of a lime and about a teaspoon of chopped cilantro. Combine ingredients. In a bowl or cup, line the bottom with crema or sour cream. Drizzle some Chipotle Mayo. Add desired amount of Cotija cheese and Tajin. Then add your corn, about a cup. At this point, repeat the process for your second layer. Add a squeeze of lime before adding more corn. Make this recipe your own by adding your desired amount of ingredients. You can also use plain mayo with a hot sauce of your choice as a layer. Top with a Chipotle Mayo, crema, and a squeeze of lime, Cotija cheese, Tajin, and cilantro. Then you're ready to roll. We hope you try this amazing recipe and consider subscribing. Until next time, enjoy!